Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video. People are asking me again. I'm going through the emails. People want to know, where can I get some quick cash? Where can I go to get a loan today without affecting my credit report? Now, I'm going to show you 3 different places that you can get some quick cash loans. You are a member with them. Let me make that clear. Number 1 on the list is OneUnited. OneUnited will be in the description right below this video. You could get a loan, the Cash Please loan with them, up to $1,000, but you gotta open up a checking account. They will not approve you if you don't have an open checking account with them, and anybody could join, no matter where you're located. The good thing about it, I will have to say, this is an issue that a lot of people have. If you are in the check system, they are accepting people. If you're in the check system and you have a lot of inquiries, they're okay with it. You could get it up to $8,000. Now, that will be in the description right below. Again, number 2 on the list is one of my favorites. I will have to say is DCU Credit Union. Again, long as you're a member, anybody could join. Once you join, you could get a quick loan up to $2,000. Now, just to let you know, just because you become a member today, you can't go online tomorrow and apply for the quick loan up to $2,000. No, you need to be a member for at least 6 months, and it will be no credit check once you are a member, so which is really good. Last on the list is going to be Explore Credit. Now, they kind of lenient. You could get up to $2,000 with them. That will be in the description right below this video. You don't have to worry about it. Don't think if you don't have a 700 credit score, they're not gonna accept you. No, you can have a low credit score. Once you sign up with them, fill out the application with them and get up to that $2,000. And this is gonna be 3 easy, quick loans that you could get in 2025. Again, I got videos for people that have their credit in the right position where you could go to these next tier lenders where you don't have to worry about these high interests. So you might say, the last one on the list, is it going to be high interest? Obviously, yes. If they're not really concerned about credit scores and what you got going on, your credit report, obviously that APR is going to be a little on the high end. Now, I've been seeing a lot of people saying OneUnited is the APR is going to be on the high end as well. So a lot of these quick loans that you could get today without too many issues, you got to always keep in the back of your mind that interest rate is going to be high. So this is why I do a lot of videos and always tell you to fix your credit. You can go right on my website, right below me, whoiskingshawn.com. Download your free credit repair ebook. Download your business credit repair ebook. It doesn't matter. I'm giving you all the tools so you can start scaling. It's up to you. Again, get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.